Section 1. The Plantain Promise. Don't fry till you fly with me. Alright. Listen up, my friend. I'm gonna tell you something that'll change your kitchen game forever. Do not, I repeat, do not even think about frying those plantains until you hear every last word of this. I've been all over this great nation. Funky little joints in Florida. Killer kitchens in Cali. I've seen it all. Transcendent plantains. Little golden nuggets of pure joy. Plantains that would make you want to, dance with grandma. And the flip side, sad, greasy little things. A culinary tragedy we can avoid. You might be thinking, Guy, it's just a plantain, how hard can it be? And that's where the story takes a turn. The devil is in the details. Small mistakes, tiny missteps, one-way ticket to Flavortown, or a bus ride to Blandville. This guide is your roadmap, step by step, no nonsense. Plantains so righteous, they'll be the star of the show. We're aiming for perfect balance. Crispy, caramelized edge, soft, sweet, almost creamy center. Stick with me. The inside scoop that separates pros from amateurs. Let's do this. The ripeness rodeo. First things first, the main event is the plantain itself. This ain't your average banana. Think of it as the tougher, starchier cousin. Rule number 1, ripeness. The peel color is your flavor forecast. Get this wrong and it's a catastrophe. Let's break down the spectrum. Solid green, starchy, potato-like, not sweet. Destined for tostones. Yellow, middle of the road, starting to sweeten. The magic is yellow with lots of black spots, even mostly black. Don't fear the dark. Those spots are flavor bombs, sugars developed and concentrated, ready to caramelize, soft, sweeter, almost custardy. At the store, hunt for character, deep yellow, heavy freckles, all green, no sweat. Let them ripen on the counter, they'll get there. Patience is a virtue. The payoff, perfectly sweet, perfectly golden, perfectly crispy, that'll knock your socks off. Tools of the trade, you've got perfectly ripe plantains. Let's set a pro-grade pit stop, no fancy gadgets needed. First, a solid heavy-bottom pan. Cast iron holds heat like a champ, even consistent browning. Pick a neutral, high smoke point oil, canola, vegetable, peanut, or grapeseed. Enough for a shallow pool, not deep fry. A sharp knife, and a sturdy board. Dull blades mash. Sharp gives clean cuts. Long-handled tongs or a slotted spoon for safe flips. Safety first, flavor always. Prep a paper towel landing zone to drain. Non-negotiable for crispy, not greasy. Pan, oil, knife, tongs, paper towels. With simple tools and righteous plantains, you're ready for fried plantain nirvana. Beat. The slice is right. Prepping for the pan. Station set. Time to prep the star. Slice off one end, then the other. Score the peel lengthwise. Shallow cut. Thumb under. Pull back in one satisfying strip. If stubborn, help with the knife. Blank canvas. Slicing dictates look and cook. Bias cut. More surface, more caramelization. Aim for about a ½ inch. Too thin chips, too thick undercooks. ½ inch shocks crispy outside, tender sweet inside. Or slice coins. Party perfect, fast cooking. Consistency is your best friend. Same thickness, even cook. Ready for the hot oil jacuzzi. Beat. This is where the action happens, the dance of plantain and oil. You're the choreographer. Temperature is everything. Too low, greasy sponges. Too high, scorched outside, raw inside. Find the Goldilocks zone. 1/4 inch of neutral oil, heavy pan. Medium-high heat, let it shimmer. Aim 350-375 degrees Steph. Thermometer helps, but old school test works too. If it sits, too cold. If it smokes and darkens fast, kill the heat. You want a lively, steady sizzle. Edges bubble, piece floats. Green light. Do not crowd the pan. Work in batches, give them space. Patience pays flavor dividends. That sizzle forms a barrier, keeps oil out, flavor in. Beat. The anthem of Flavortown. The stage is set, the oil is singing. Use tongs, lay slices away from you, one by one. Now the hard part, leave them alone. Don't poke, prod, or rapid flip. About 2 to 3 minutes per side. Watch the edges. Color creeps inward. When the bottom's rich caramel gold. Flip. Carefully. Not quite? Give it 30 seconds. Second side. Another 2 to 3 minutes. Match that golden brown perfection. Ripe sugars make that gorgeous crust. Sweet aroma fills the kitchen. Deeply golden, dark, crispy edges, soft, sweet center. Pull from the pan, let excess drip a second, land on paper towels immediately. Don't leave in oil, don't pile bare, keep them crisp. Find your rhythm, fry, flip, drain. Beat. You did it. But one more step. While hot and glistening, sprinkle a pinch of fine sea salt. Salt won't make it salty, it makes sweet pop. For savory sides, dust with chili, a pinch of smoked paprika, or a little garlic powder. For dessert, cinnamon and a touch of sugar. Go wild with a pinch of cayenne, dynamite as a snack solo, or the ultimate team player with picadillo, jerk chicken, beans and rice. Dessert move, top with vanilla ice cream and caramel. Hot and cold is out of bounds. Serve dips, lime crema, spicy aioli, or mango salsa. Key: serve hot. Edges peak crisp, centers warm and gooey. They're fleeting. Gather the crew and dig in while they're prime. Beat. Even with a roadmap, wrong turns happen. Soggy plantains, two culprits, oil temp or overcrowding. Greasy and limp means oil wasn't hot enough. Remember the sizzle test. Too many slices, drop the temp. Use steam, not fry. Solution: fry in batches with space. The texture difference is night and day. Burning outside, raw inside, heat's too high. Back it off. If oil smokes, pull pan off heat. Dial in a strong, steady medium high. Texture fanatics, the double fry. First at 325° live, about 2 minutes per side. Soft, light thighs, adostity mai. Lightly colored. Rest on towels a few minutes, then 375° mide, something mods, about a minute per side to deep gold. It's a game changer. Let's bring it home. We've been on a righteous ride. You're ready to unleash perfect plantains. Recap: pick the right player, ripe with black spots. Slice half-inch, diagonal or coins. Be consistent, master medium-high sizzle. Do not crowd the pan. Fry a few minutes per side to deep gold crisp edges. Drain on paper towels. Season while hot. Serve savory, serve sweet, or eat straight off the plate. 0 to hero. Quick safety. Hot oil is no joke. Keep kids and pets out of the splash zone. Never walk away. Use long tongs. Keep a fitting lid nearby. Grease fire, never water. Slide the lid to smother. Keep only the flavor on fire. You've got the playbook, the knowledge, the technique. Grab ripe plantains today. Fire up the stove. Taste the difference that know-how makes. One bite of crispy, sweet, golden perfection and you're hooked. Your ticket to Flavortown is waiting. Vurme Kitchen. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share with a plantain lover. Up next, Tostones 2 ways and a 5-minute dulce dip.